Alright, this is day 2 of my photovoltaic solar installation. The truck arrives bright and early in the morning. Getting ready for a busy day. First thing basically was unloading the solar panels and getting them ready to be brought up. They weren't able to bring all of them today, but give you some shots of what they look like. Up here you see the pigtails that actually feed the or leads that are going to be tied together. Give you another shot of the two ends that are going to plug into the other ones in a series. They're going ahead and getting a breaker box set up. Right next to them is going to be the meter. This meter is going to be able to talk wirelessly to Sunrun, and they'll monitor it 4 times a day. Getting some conduit that's going to lead to a breaker that's going to be inside. And there's that meter actually plugged in. He's doing some metal pipe for the inside, bending it to fit properly. There's my main disconnect on the inside, which is going to have leads going right into the mains and the electric panel, feed out to the pole. Up here I'm showing you some of the wiring and ground wire, bonding wire, and the conduit that feeds the open areas. Each one of the aluminum tracks has some copper ground bond wire going across, making sure that if anything goes, it's going to go to the right spot. There we have some of the conduit being heated so it can bend, so it's going to fit in the right space. We're running the vertical chase right there on the left. There it goes. We also had, once all the initial setup, was our inspector from the township came for the rough building. And after he came, the electrical guy came as well, getting those panels up on the roof. So we're going to go ahead and start laying in the first one across the tracks. Once we get it laid up, a little clamp holds it down and to the aluminum track. There's the second one there. They're about to start the second panel. They made some progress. It's looking pretty good. As they go along, they, like I said, connect one to another, and they run down a series. I'm actually going to have 2 8-panel series and 1 12-panel series. So I have a total of 3 strings. The 12-panel string will go into the PVP 2500, and the 2 8-panel strings will go into the PVP 3000. They'll all be wired coming down the chase through that conduit, and we'll have grounds coming right down from the meter box and well, the breaker box and the actual inverters, and grounds coming from the breaker inside, and then we'll be set on that level. Tomorrow we're going to have just the final assembly for the panels. Everything's get tied together. All those strings get pulled through, and the system will be tested, and we'll go ahead and get ready for final inspections, and we'll have more tomorrow.